Hello guys, I hope you all will be fine. Today I'm going to discuss about verbal communication and its types. In the previous video I have discussed about communication and its types. So its types were verbal communication and non-verbal communication, and I said that I will make video on verbal communication and its types. So this is about verbal communication and its types. But before moving on to the topic, please do subscribe my channel for further videos, like, share and comment. So let's come. What is verbal communication? The use of words by sharing information with other people. For example, I'm interacting with you people right now. So it's verbal communication. Two friends are writing a letter to each other. It's verbal communication. Means verbal communication is simply oral communication as well as written communication. Spoken words. The word here I'm using the spoken words, that is verbal communication. That spoken word can be in written form and can be in oral form. It has two types. Oral communication, exchanging of information and ideas by spoken words. It can be face-to-face interaction or by an electronic device like radio or telephone, etc. So this is the example of oral communication also, that I am talking you right now. So it's one kind of verbal communication. You respond to your teacher during lecture, so it's one kind of oral communication. Means there is no written form, you just speak, and that's oral communication. The second one, written communication, sending of messages through letters, circulars, manuals, reports, telegrams, WhatsApp, Messenger, etc. There are many examples of written communication. Means when you send any message, that is written communication. That can be in the form of app of WhatsApp, Messenger, Telegram, manuals, whatever. The newspaper which you read at home, that is one kind of written communication. So this was a video about verbal communication and its types. The next video will be about non-verbal communication and its types. Please do subscribe my channel for further videos. I hope you have gotten today's lesson. If you have any query, please ask in comment section.